Hello, my name is Dario Marjali and I make these videos where I review houseplants, home plants. And today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite home plant or house plant. And you can see that I've bought quite a few of them. You can see them here. These are external plants, so these are not interior plants but exterior plants. And what are they? Let's see. Um, this plant is called Nerium Oleander rose. So maybe you can see it here. Nerium Oleander rose. And the reason I like this plant, this is an exterior plant. So it's a great plant if you want to have it, if you have a balcony, or for example, if you want to put a plant on the outside of a window. So you want to put a plant where on the outer part of a window, so this would be a great plant, or even in the garden. The reason I like them is that they are very resistant, so they haven't died on me. So none of the ones I've bought has died, and so they are very resistant, and they are not very expensive at all. So this was like $5, and so I bought a whole bunch of them. Um, the main reason I make these videos is so that you don't make mistakes. You don't buy plants that are gonna die 2 weeks after you buy them. So this Nerium Oleander rosa, Nerium Oleander rosa. So I recommend this plant because it's not gonna it's not gonna let you down at all. Anyway, subscribe, and there's more videos like this about houseplants on my channel.